Alright, the next one is oblique planes. Let's take a look at it. Oblique planes they're not perpendicular, they're not parallel to any of your six planes, okay? And also you can't, alright, display these surfaces, your oblique surfaces, as edge view on the projection plane at all, okay? So let's take a look at what's oblique plane. So here we'll remove, alright, one of the corner of your rectangular prism. So here is your oblique planes, and we're gonna view, right, the object, which is your 3D. Yeah, we're gonna view it from the front, from the right. Yes, and of course from the top. Yes, so you have your top, and then your front, and then your right. And we're not displaying this surface, which is this guy right there, as an edge view on these your front, top, and right, views at all. It's just a normal edge, okay? And that's because they're not parallel or perpendicular, yeah, at all to these planes. So you would do the same thing, yeah. You put your line of sight, let's say line of sight. Where's my pen? Okay, line of sight here, yeah. So that's your front view, and it's not perpendicular here, yeah. And you look at the points on your front surface, all right. So this is the line belonging to the front and also the surface, yeah? And if you pay attention, it's not parallel to this. It's slanted. See, there's an angle to it. That's what we're talking about. And you do the same thing from the right side, yeah? And also from the top side, carefully. And you will see that surface is not parallel, not perpendicular. Not parallel, not perpendicular to top or right or any other projection planes at all. Okay, you will want to have a little object, yes, probably wooden one, or you can even use your eraser and cut it out. Okay, so get a 99-cent eraser from a shop and cut it, all right, like an oblique plane. And of course you can poke it with a barbecue stick or something, yeah, and you're going to see like that surface is not parallel or perpendicular at all for all six views or planes. Okay, try that at home. Of course, yeah, we won't have time to experiment that, but if I have time, I'm going to bring that for you so you can play around with it to be able to visualize it, okay? When you study, make sure you do those kind of little projects by yourself to be able to actually get it. Okay, that's it for your oblique planes. The main point is it's not perpendicular and it's not parallel, okay, to the planes. These oblique surfaces are.